Wildlife Week is observed annually on answer A in the first week of October. Which of the following is not a characteristic of the family? Answer D. It is necessary to have blood relations. Geography is a science to study the earth as its center. Who said like this? Answer A. Varanium. Malaria Day is celebrated on which day? Answer C. 25 April. Which day of the following is celebrated as Environmental Day? Answer B. 5th June. Which of the following is a set of disease caused spread by mosquitoes? Answer D. Chikungunya, dengue and malaria. Which one of the following is scalar quantity? Answer A. Mass. The endangered species of animal are those. Answer D. Which are in danger of extinction. Which plant is cultivated for biodiesel? Answer C. Jatropha. Moon eclipse occurs when? Answer A. Earth is between sun and moon. An object in which no light rays can pass through is called? Answer A. Opaque. Which is not a part of the National Action Plan on Climate Change? Answer B. National Mission on Pollution Control. The theme of World Environment Day 2021 was? Answer D. Ecosystem restoration. Energy flow in ecosystem is? Answer D. Unidirectional. In global warming, the temperature of? Answer A. Troposphere increase. Compound among the following is? Answer D. Water. Select from the following is a group of eatables, each member of which is rich in iron. Answer B. Amla, spinach, jaggery. In which year was the Environmental Department established at the center by the Government of India? Answer C. 1980. A better and more efficient use as well as availability of milk lead to dash. Answer A. White revolution. Which of the following reproduces from underground stem? Answer B. Potato. Which of the following statement is not caused due to atmospheric refraction? Answer D. Sun appears red at sunset. Which of the following is different from the rest? Answer D. Conservation. What is the basis of interactions between plants and animals of an ecosystem? Answer D. Nutritional relationship. What are the autotrophic components of an ecosystem? Answer A. Plant. Man is in the food chain. Answer A. Consumer. Bhopal tragedy was caused by which gas? Answer B. Methylisocyanate. Desert oak is a tree which is found in? Answer B. Australia. Biotic component of environment includes? Answer C. Plants. What is the theme of the World Wetland Day 2022? Answer D. Wetlands action for people and nature. M.S. Swaminathan was? Answer B. An agriculture scientist. What is rainwater harvesting? Answer B. Collection and storage of rainwater. Which planet is surrounded by the most gases? Answer C. Uranus. Who was the first Indian woman to fly in space? Answer C. Kalpana Chawla. Which of the following planet is the hottest planet? Answer D. Venus. Which is not a source of water pollution? Answer C. Agriculture waste. Which state is benefited by Indira Gandhi Canal project? Answer C. Rajasthan. Dash is the maximum number of links a food chain can have. Answer D. 4 to 5. What is the application of somatic cell nuclear transfer technology? Answer C. Reproductive cloning of animals. Where in India is a combination of mangrove forest, evergreen forest and deciduous forest? Answer D. Andaman and Nicobar Island. Who provides the ranking of the Global Gender Gap Index for the countries of the world? Answer A. World Economic Forum. IUCN in which field is the organization engaged? Answer B. Animal protection. What is called the circle of organisms on the surface of the earth including water, air and land? Answer B. Biosphere. In which continent the hottest spots have been marked? Answer C. South America. Where is Ranthambore National Park located? Answer D. Rajasthan. In which category are the countries rich in biodiversity placed? Answer C. Mega diversity country. What percentage of global biodiversity is found in tropical evergreen forest? Answer D. More than 50. Equatorial forests are example of which level of biodiversity? Answer D. Global. What is global biodiversity called? Answer C. Gamma.